Welcome to week 13. This week you're going to start off with an exam. It will be exam 4. And with this exam, it's going to be over forms and it's going to be over quantitative and qualitative analysis and delinquency. Make sure I do have a review sheet, so make sure you review that sheet. And one other thing, when you do take this exam, you will be utilizing a chart from EHR Go. So for your assignments then, we are going to also start this week Unit 5. This unit will cover Chapter 7 and 8 in your Michelle Green textbook, or in the textbook that you have. In this unit, you'll be able to explain the difference between serial unit and serial unit numbering system. It also covers two major categories of filing, alphabetic and numeric. Students will be able to arrange record numbers in alphabetic, straight, numerical, terminal digit, and middle digit order. Chapter 8 will cover indexes, registers, registries maintained by healthcare facilities, state and federal agencies. So, again, you're going to start off your week with the discussion with the exam 4. Then you're going to move on to the discussion board and you're going to have to find an article on filing, and then assignment 23. If you have any questions for this week, please let me know. And you can see I have the course unit learning objectives and the outcomes are the same.